pores are clogged.
Cancel out my
I didn't win. It's literally a vibe. Welcome back, Levy Lux Tribe. It's Thursday. If you haven't been here before, welcome. I am Jessica Levy, and I help you live a high-end life the affordable way. Okay, so you're spending money on luxury items trying to elevate your lifestyle, but something still feels off. If you're wondering why your life doesn't feel as elevated as you expected, you're probably making this one mistake, and it has nothing to do with how much money you spend. This mistake is what keeps so many women stuck, thinking luxury is out of reach. But today I am breaking it down and I'm showing you how to fix it. I grew up the fourth of 5 children, so everything was a hand-me-down.
Baby kids. Baby's kids?
Yeah, we don't dog, we multiply.
Growing up, I was always finding ways to make things look high-end on a budget. I used to think if I could just get my hands on more expensive pieces, whether it was fashion, home decor, or beauty products, that it would automatically make me feel more luxurious. But the more I bought, the more I realized something just wasn't clicking. The lifestyle I was creating didn't actually feel elevated. It just felt cluttered. So that's when I discovered the difference between buying luxury and curating luxury. So let's get into it. We're going to discuss the #1 biggest mistake that women make when trying to upgrade their lifestyle, plus some other common mistakes we make. And of course, I'm going to give you the solution to all of it by helping you get into the mindset that you need, an elevated mindset. The #1 mistake that women make, us women make, when trying to upgrade our lifestyle is exactly that. It's thinking that luxury comes from buying more versus curating better. So here's the problem. Luxury isn't about how much stuff you own. It's about how intentional you are with what you bring to your life. And unfortunately, a lot of people fall into the trap of just collecting random luxury without a clear vision of how those pieces fit into their personal lifestyle. Have you ever bought an expensive bag, perfume, skincare product, thinking it would instantly make you feel more luxe, and instead it just sat there unused or didn't make much of a difference at all? That's because luxury is not a price tag. It's an experience and a cohesion of how you integrate those things into your life. Let's talk about a few ways this mistake shows up in your life every day. People think buying designer pieces instantly makes your wardrobe more luxurious. But luxury, again, it's not about the label. It's about the fit, the fabric, how well it complements you. It's literally a vibe. Like when you really think about it, luxury is a vibe, because a $50 tailored blazer can look more expensive than a wrinkled $3,000 jacket if it's not styled properly. Y'all remember when I said everything I got growing up was a hand-me-down? Well, in high school, my parents got divorced, so then I definitely wasn't getting anything new. So I had to make it do what it do, baby.
I'm gonna make it do what it do, baby.
I started thrifting at like Goodwill and even shopping for clothes at the dollar store. By my senior year, people were putting my name in the hat for best dressed. I didn't win, but it's the fact that little old me was a force to be reckoned with. So it's proof that luxury is a vibe, and it's not what you got, it's what you do with what you got. Hey everyone, before we continue today's video, I wanted to take a quick moment and share something super exciting with you. You know I love finding those perfect elevated pieces that make you feel luxurious, but don't break the bank. I'm obsessed with melindamaria.com. It's one of my favorite jewelry brands because they create stunning pieces that are high quality. They're not only gorgeous, they're super affordable. So whether you're looking for everyday staples or something to elevate your look for a special occasion, they've got you covered. And guess what? I partner with them as an ambassador, which means my Levy Lux Tribe gets 10% off every time they're shopping. Just use this code. I'll leave the links and discount code in the description below. Okay, now back to the video. If you're ready to start curating your dream lifestyle the luxurious way, make sure you smash that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. Also, thank you for the 500 subscribers. We got a jumbo jet, y'all. Should have known I was gonna put you in a PJ.
My favorite phrase is time is money, buy a jet.
Another way this mistake shows up in our everyday life is home decor.
3 things that are making your house look cheap as fuck on a luxury interior designer.
Some people fill their space with random, expensive looking decor. But if the pieces don't work together, the home will still feel chaotic rather than sophisticated. True luxury in your home is about thoughtful curation, not just collecting trendy pieces. Now, your personal space is one thing, because I'm definitely one of those people that need to see what I own, or I'll buy like 5 of the same thing.
Oh my gosh.
Thinking I had none because I couldn't see it. It was in the back. It was in the back the whole time. That's okay, but your overall home should not be chaotic. Another mistake is in self-care and beauty. You don't need a 20-step skincare routine of all the most expensive products. What you need is to understand what your skin needs. The real luxury is finding a streamlined routine that works just for you, not just following the trends. Because you have oily skin. Why are you out here with oil-based foundation just because it's trendy? Now you got acne. Now your pores are clogged. Your fault. So let's get into the elevated mindset needed to fix these problems.
All I gotta do is put my mind to this shit. Goddamn. Cancel out my.
Start curating with intention rather than consuming with impulse. Step 1, define your personal looks lifestyle. Luxury is not one size fits all. Take a moment and ask yourself, what does a luxury life look like to me? Is it about having a polished wardrobe? Is it about having a well-designed, cozy home? Is it about feeling pampered with top-of-the-line self-care? Get clear on what luxury means to you before you make any purchases. Is it in line with your luxury? Step 2, invest in quality over quantity. Instead of filling your life with random expensive things, focus on a few key items that actually make a difference. A well-chosen signature scent. I mean, can you tell what my scent is? It's almost gone. A high quality handbag that goes with everything. In fact, the first luxury handbag that I purchased myself, I was gifted quite a few, but the one I purchased myself, baby, it was a Louis Vuitton bag with the rare fuchsia pink inside. The cost per wear, I wore that bag every day for years. You know what? Probably about 3 cents per wear. In fact, I might whip it out this week because we get our money worth around here. Or luxurious bed sheets that improve your sleep. Now that's priceless. All of these small intentional investments add up to a more refined lifestyle. Do you get where I'm coming from? 3, elevate through habits, not just purchases. True luxury is not about what you own. It's about how you carry yourself. A confident posture, a well-maintained beauty routine, an organized home, or even the way you pour your morning coffee with your pinky out can instantly make your life feel more elevated without spending a dime. So tell me in the comments, what's one thing that you bought thinking it would make you feel more luxurious, but it didn't? We've all been there, so let's talk about it. And I'll see you next Thursday.